Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices just a little easier. We got a little firmer tone in soybean oil, and that's helping the bean markets. In general, we've seen a nice little bounce, and especially soybean prices, fund defending the record demand versus the record supply. And I think that a lot of people believe that as we move along at this 980 November futures price, we're going to run into some strong resistance because of the large U.S. supply and because of mostly favorable conditions down in South America. They're in the planting season down there. It is dry across northern Brazil. There is some showers forecasted to move across at least some of the areas, but Bahia and northeast Brazil looks like it's going to remain dry. That's offered support to the coffee market, and it could continue to offer support to the beans. On the oil side, you just have world veg oil prices exploding higher. Palm oil stocks are declining. It's about 15% of the Canadian rapeseed crop is still going to be in the fields and probably won't get harvested this year, and it'll have to wait till the spring. So we'll have to see how much losses we're going to see there. And you still have strong China and India demand for that product. So even though we're above 35-cent oil, it feels like we're going to move higher in the oil market. Over in corn and wheat, corn's kind of a mixture of record supply and record demand. The farmer still has a lot of corn to sell. If we get below 350 very far on the December futures contract, you're looking at farmers not selling against record demand. And if you get too high above 350, they're going to give us the entire crop. And so we just really can't break out of this trading range quite yet. Over in the wheat, we found a bid in the wheat. Funds are not really big short coverage of their big short positions, but it is dry across the U.S. Southern Plains. We'll see if that offers any catalyst for the funds to cover any more of their shorts. Globally, our prices are still too high versus the competition, but we are in the market for quality wheat because of the concerns of qualities in Europe and Canada. One group came out today and they kind of looked at 2017 prices. Corn maybe 315 and 335. This July corn's at 374. Beans, big range, $8 to $9.50. July beans are at $10. They believe that the high will be in Q1 and the low will be in Q2. And on wheat, kind of a tight range, 425 to 445. The low in Q2, the high in Q4, and July wheat right now is at 462. So we'll see how all that impacts trading volume. Outside markets, you still have a lot of uncertainty on what the Fed's going to do, and the bonds are kind of bouncing all over depending upon what they're going to do. Stock market sideways. The dollar still looks like the winning trade there is being long the dollar. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.